see where they sat after long days. Those rocking chairs passed down through the years. You remember when they begged and begged to stay, 'cause the days felt long, there was no game they couldn't play. How rare it was for them to stay inside some days, 'cause they loved outdoors even when that sky was gray. Those kids just tried to be the best they could, just glad they had a great childhood. Those loving memories all began right here, all on this land, all the laughter and the tears. You couldn't see it, but I know that they could. All the smaller things brought them joy.